everyone, Jared here, and today I'm in Howell, Michigan with my wife because we are looking for some extravagant looking milkshakes that somebody was telling Lindsay about. And I think they're at this M Street baking company, so we're gonna go in there and see if we can get a couple of them. Alright, let's go in here and see what Lindsay's gonna buy here. Oh, I like the little entryway, that's cool. Hello, Howell. Well, your milkshakes have arrived, and they do actually look pretty fancy, just like the ones at Twosomes. I'm sure they make these kinds at many other places. It's just we're familiar with it from Twosomes. But what did you get here? What's this thing?
I got a strawberry shortcake milkshake.
It's got some Oreos and looks like an entire
ice cream bar.
Ice cream bar. What in the world? And then what's this?
That is a cosmic brownie.
It's got some rock candy, a little cupcake, a cookie.
Yep.
And it's got some like cookie around the cup as well. Oh, so does yours. I didn't even notice that. Those things look like they're gonna be very difficult to eat. I skipped getting a milkshake and instead I got this Millionaire bar thing. It's like short cookie with a little bit of caramel and some chocolate fudge. So, what'd you think? Was it good?
It was very good. I came hungry, so I'm not doing too bad.
Well, in addition to those awesome looking milkshakes, this place looks pretty cool inside as it is, huh? I love it. Love the little Christmas ornaments up there. And over there you can buy all kinds of stuff like candy and other cookies in addition to the milkshakes and the baked goods that they had up front. You can get more than just candy over here. You can get these cute little cat cake pins, I guess. I didn't really notice those were cats at first. Holy crow, look at these fancy cakes. Oh my goodness. $75. That's really cool looking. They got all these recipes posted up on the wall. How many people do you think come in here, look at these recipes, and go home and actually make the desserts? It'd be pretty cool if they did.
Probably not everybody.
Really? You don't think so?
They might, but...
Well, I think that's gonna do it for us in the M Street Baking Company Simply Fabulous Milkshakes there. What are your final thoughts on your, I don't remember what you got. What was
I got the strawberry shortcake one.
Well, how was it?
It was delicious.
What'd you
I
get?
really liked it. The only thing well, I don't think you're supposed to eat it, but the cookie thing is on the outside. You couldn't eat.
You couldn't eat the cookie on the outside?
No,
Oh, man.
little decorative thing around the room, but that's fine. It was pretty.
Could you have fit any more in your stomach?
No.
So, all right, well, that was pretty fun. That was the whole reason we came down here. Now we're gonna go and film the downtown, so hopefully you'll stick around and watch that video too. But for now, thanks for watching.